Digital Mentor here. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, and I really do apologize, but today I am going to teach you how to make money online as a teenager in 2020. Now, this is going to be free and really fast. You're really going to love this model of making money online, and I found that a lot of people are doing it, and they're making a lot of money, and it takes absolutely no brain work. There's nothing that you need to do other than just be the middleman in this process, which makes life really easy, and you're going to be able to make a lot of your first wins as an entrepreneur online doing this. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. The more subscribers that build our channel, the better it is for the channel, so make sure to just hit the subscribe button. Also, definitely hit the bell icon so you can get notifications every single time that I upload videos. I know that I haven't set any notifications out last week. We had a house full of sick kids. So I'm making sure that I make up for lost time this week. So tune in. I'm going to be posting videos every single day for a while. So don't miss any of these videos. I want to make sure that you guys are making money online. And I'm trying to post as much content as possible. So stay tuned, guys. If you are looking to be an online entrepreneur and have a full income making money online, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's going to be your first link in the description below. So getting right into this video, guys, this is going to be a really quick and easy video. And we're going to start over on one of my absolute favorite sites ever to make money online, and it is Fiverr.com. Now, I know that I talk about it a lot in my previous videos, but if you aren't familiar with Fiverr, it is a freelancing site where you are going to be selling services online um, at, at your own prices, and you're going to be able to make your own hours and work for yourself. There's not going to be a boss for you telling you how and when to do things, which is one of the beautiful things of being a freelancer online. So you are not actually going to freelance, which I know sounds funny because we are using Fiverr.com. What you're going to be using Fiverr.com for is to find freelancers to do work for you that you are going to turn around and sell. You are going to be doing something called digital arbitrage. So you're going to be taking other people's work and selling it at a higher price. So you're going to be the middleman, and that is how we're going to make money through this method of making money online. So getting right into this, we are going to look up logo design. Sorry. There we go. And as you can see, you're going to have a boatload of people to pick from. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be selling logos. And if you don't know how to make logos, this is why I suggest that you use Fiverr. So you're going to be looking for someone that is really good at making logos. You're going to pay them for a logo and then turn around and resell it for a higher price, making a profit. So just glancing right at these, you want to find someone that's going to be making clean, crisp content. So just look for somebody that has quite a few stars and quite a few reviews, 5 stars being the best, and just look for someone with a bunch of reviews. As you can see, this guy right here has 4.9 stars and 586 reviews, but he starts at $50. If you look right here, this guy has 4.6 stars, but he has over 1,000 reviews. So if I had to pick between the two of these, I would probably go with a little bit of the higher price, just because I want to make sure that my logos that I'm reselling are of top-notch value. As you can see, he makes really pretty logos. They're really crisp, they're really pretty. They're pretty much the same though, so just keep that in mind, but he makes really good logos. The basic package, you can just briefly read through it. You're going to be spending $75. You're going to want to scroll down as well and see what the turnaround time is, how long to expect for these logos, so that way you know how long to tell someone you're going to have the logo to them. You can have it in 3 days or 1 day. If you do tell them you're going to have it the very next day, keep in mind with what you're going to charge the person that you are selling it to, it is going to cost you an extra $30 plus the $75. So it'd be $105 to purchase a logo. So I would charge them at least $30 extra if they want it the very next day. Like I said, other packages include other things, different concepts, logos, but that's going to cost you more money. As you can see, it's going to be $210 for the premium package, and it's going to be $115 for the standard, and $75 plus the $30 charge for a one-day delivery time for the basic package. So keep that in mind when you're setting your prices up to sell, because you want to make sure that you are actually making something out of all this middleman work. So you think you found yourself a designer, go ahead and message them. Let them know, hey, I'm going to be buying some designs for you. I wanted to make sure that it was okay with you that I take your designs and that I resell them. Just make sure it's not illegal to do, but you don't want things to get too messy. So you might want to just message a designer and let them know. Honestly, 9 out of 10 times they don't really care, because you're just bringing them more business and putting money in their pocket anyway. And what you're doing is you're just making them some profit. They're going to be making the same thing whether this person comes straight to them or if you sell their product to someone else. They're going to be making the same amount of profit. So normally they don't really care, but I just recommend that you do the right thing, message them, let them know what you're doing, and make sure that they are willing to continue to do work for you. So you found yourself a designer, and now you're like, where am I going to find these people who want logo designs? You're going to head right over to google.com. If you're not familiar with Google, it's one of the most well-known search engines, so get familiar with Google. You are going to type right in the search bar exactly as I have it written here. It says need logo site Craigslist.org. Once you put this in, it is going to come up with all of these Craigslist listings for people who actually need logo designs. As you can see, New York gigs, logo design. There's Los Angeles gigs, logo designer. So there are a bunch of different ones that you can do. You can just scroll through. You can type in certain areas specifically and find yourself the need for logos, but I highly recommend that you just use what I said exactly. Need logo site Craigslist.org. It kind of reads everything out, and you're going to be able to find people who are actually looking for logo design. So let's just click on this really quick right now. Need logo design wanted, logo designer wanted. So let's just click right on this one. This one's right in Connecticut. Let's go back. That's probably not the right one for us. We'll go right into Los Angeles. Looking for a website designer for a project. Freelance design work needed. I'm looking for a designer to help with a pitch, sales material, and a design for logos and graphics. So what you're going to do is you are going to hit reply to this. You are going to write them, and you are going to say something along the lines of, hey guys, I know that you are looking for a logo design. I've attached some samples and logos for you to look at. When you do this, you're going to want to go back to Fiverr, and you're going to want to grab a couple of these logos over here. You just want to right click it and save image as, and then just grab a couple of these and attach them right into your email that you're going to send this person on Craigslist. So they have a couple samples of what kind of product you're going to be able to provide for them. Once you've done that, then you're going to want to say something, hey, if you're interested in some custom logo designs, anything like the ones that I have attached here, I'll be willing to do it at an affordable price. I'm willing to do this at an affordable price because I'm a designer looking to build up my clientele. And then you offer them a price. Hey, how does like $200 or $250, something reasonable like that. I know that logo designs start anywhere between like $0 and like $1,500. So honestly, asking for somewhere anywhere between $200 and $250 is completely reasonable. So if it were me, I would type probably $250 and let them talk me down to $200. So anywhere between $250. How about $100 up front and then about $150 upon completion. I can have this completed by such and such time. Usually I'm going to have to put like 3 days so I don't end up spending an extra $30. If they do tell you they want it the very next day, say yes, I can do that. But it's going to cost you, say, like an extra $50 to have this logo to you by the very next day, knowing that I'm going to have to pay an extra $30 to have it done. Once you've sent that, then just say, let me know. I'm ready to get started and get the work to you right away. And then you just leave your contact information. And that's the template that I think you guys should really use when writing these people on Craigslist. Just throw a price at them a little bit higher than, not crazy high, a little bit higher, and let them talk you down. Because a lot of times when you throw a price out there, they're going to say, hey, how about this price? So say about $250 minus 75, you're going to be able to get a really good profit off this, and you're going to be able to make money. You don't actually have to create the logos yourself, and it's really quick and it's really easy. And it's free. It's going to end up being free. Your first sale, you just hold on to that money and just keep throwing it in every single time, and you're going to be able to make quite a bit of money with this. Now, another way to look for folks that are looking for new logo designs is going to Facebook groups. And I really think that the new business groups are a great place to find people who are looking for new logos. They need a logo for their company. I know that YouTubers are looking for logos, Twitch streamers, and also new startup companies. So this is where it's going to be awesome for you. You can go into these groups and say, hey guys, I just wanted to let you know that I create logos. I'm looking to build up my clientele. If you're looking for unique and awesome new logos at a discounted lower price, message me, and just wait for the messages to come in. I wouldn't spam them. I would give them a little taste of what kind of content you're able to create by attaching those pictures that you've saved off Fiverr, and just waiting to see how it goes. And that's it, guys. It's really quick. It's really easy. You're just going to be using Fiverr. You're going to be using Google and Craigslist. You're going to need an email for this, as well as a Facebook to join these groups. And just, don't spam them. Just write them. Say, hey, I see that you're looking for a logo. If you're interested in a lower price because I am new to logo design, please send me a message and just go from there. It's really quick. It's really easy. If you're a teenager in 2020 and you're looking how to make some money online, this is perfect for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon, so that way you can get notifications every single time that I upload videos. Thanks for watching, guys. If you are looking for my #1 recommendation for making money online, it's going to be the first link in the description below. Take a look at it. See you later, guys. Bye.